Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to change your payment method for your Apple TV subscription, whether you want to switch cards or use a different payment method. I will walk you through it. So now, let's get started. First, you need to open the Settings app on your Apple device, whether it's an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Next, tap on your name or Apple ID at the top of the settings menu. This will take you to your account settings. In the Apple ID menu, select subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions including Apple TV. Now, find and tap on your Apple TV subscription to view the details. Then tap on Manage to change your payment method. Choose Change Payment Method and either select a different payment option or add a new one. Follow the prompts to confirm the changes. And that's how you change the payment method for your Apple TV subscription. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.